Hi, Steve, WhichI'llFixIt.com. I just wanted to do a quick little video on your air conditioner. Especially if you live by a cotton tree, you need to make sure you get it cleaned out. And I'm going to show you how to clean it out. It's not any big deal if you have a garden hose. So this is what you're trying to get rid of, things like that, and you can see all of that. And that's all from a cotton tree. And what you want to do, you don't want to do too hard of a spray because you'll bend all the little fins. You want to just start at the top and just work your way down the fins, just like this. You can see it balling up and going down. See this? And now it's going to allow this to breathe a lot better and cool a lot better. And you should do it probably beginning of the season and in the middle of the season. It doesn't hurt. Just go ahead and keep it cleaned out. The more efficient it'll run, the better it'll run, and hopefully save you some money. So how this works, when this is running, the air goes in this way and then it blows out the top. So it comes in this way and then blows out the top this way. And what you're trying to do is keep this clean. And this took me about 15 minutes to just blow all this out. And you're not going to get every speck, but what you're trying to do is make sure that it can breathe really well. And it'll save you a lot of money in the long run, just to take care of it. Look for more tips, WhichI'llFixIt.com. Find me on YouTube at WhichI'llFixIt. Follow me on Facebook, WhichI'llFixIt. And appreciate all the views. Please subscribe, and there'll be more videos in the future. Thank you.